Hello everyone, today we'll introduce a dew-point meter. The brand of this dew-point meter is Vizsla. It shows a range of -80 to 20. If there are any customers who need units in ppm, you can let us know. Many customers who buy our glove box ask if they can add dew-point meters. It's okay. Today we are going to show you how to install it. The model of the glove box is VGB1C. Here's the probe of the dew-point meter. Usually there's a spare port at the back of the box, so we open the spare port, then put the probe of the analyzer in. This is the blend plate that we have the corresponding joints on. First, screw on the joint. The blend on our hand is a KF40, and on the glove box is a KF25, so we use a changeover connector. If the customer has other instruments, it can also be transferred like this. We can see that the interface is converted to KF25. Next, we screw it onto the box. And the installation is end.